Welcome back to part 4 of teaching you step-by-step exactly how you're gonna coupon using only your phone. So there's 2 rebate apps that you're gonna download. They are super easy. Let's dive in. The first app you're gonna download is ShopMeum. So you're gonna go to the App Store and get it downloaded, create a free account. This app gives you cash back in place of using a coupon, and it goes right to your PayPal, so it's real cash back. So for example, if you buy 2 Lysol products, you use a digital coupon on one, you can submit to ShopMeum for $1 back on the second product. Same thing with these, you wanna make sure that you're activating the rebate and clicking activate or the plus sign. The second app you wanna download is Ibotta. If you're new to Ibotta, go to your app store to download it and use this code to get a $5 bonus when you submit your first receipt, and this is real cash back as well. So you can transfer it to your PayPal or even right to your bank account. How it works is you're gonna activate the rebates, you go to the store, you purchase the products, then you're going to click whatever the store is. This is an example for CVS in store. Click submit receipt instead, you're gonna submit it and get the cash back.